Well, yes, there was a panic selling in the market. I think there were two reasons behind. First of all, we've seen a sharp correction in the bond market. People have concern over the liquidity in their market. And secondly, and very popular stocks, Guizhou Multi has been cracked down, by the, government or whatever. And then the whole sectors has dragged down the Asia's market. It's created very strong panic. So everyone tried to get out. Basically, it's created a sharp fall in the market yesterday.
So yesterday we saw panic selling in sort of coming in a combo of mainland China as well as Hong Kong. But we're looking at some recovery coming through for H shares as well as Hong Kong index, Hang Seng index. So are we going to see that for some time because we're pulling money out of China?
Well, the money is coming out from China, maybe going to Hong Kong market. So I think Hong Kong market is still supported by kind of strong liquidity, and then the strong performance may be push up the Hang Seng index back to 30,000 points. I think what will be happening. Yes.
Ronald, I'll bet our partner Oriel is more interested in the Guizhou Multi Chinese liquor than anything else.
I think you should speak for yourself there, Bernie, to be honest. But in all seriousness, Ron, look, it's a pleasure to have you with us today. Thanks for coming and to chat to us on such short notice. You were talking about this rotation of money. How long is this going to continue? If people are taking money out of China because they perceive uncertainty in terms of the regulatory environment and they don't know what's coming next, and they're taking that money out and they're putting it into Hong Kong, how long is this rotation going to continue? I mean, how much money could you make out of that trade?
Well, our Chinese market has been affected by various factors, as I have mentioned earlier on. Also, the policy in itself is trying to crack down on the Asia market as well. I think the money will coming out from China to Hong Kong, and the process may be lasting for a few months. I think the performance, towards the end of this year and the first quarter next year will also be, benefited from the, such cash flow. But we need to we need to take a close eye on that, because China market and Hong Kong markets are interrelated. If Asia markets was performing poorly, I think the Hong Kong market will be affected eventually.